You're checking out a Seriously Suite. This is 482 square feet. This is in the Rockstar Quarters. You can see upgraded bedding. That looks like a king-size bed. That beautiful reflective glass looks into the shower stall. Big cupboard space here. Not going to open all the drawers or all the doors. You can see lots of space. Nice little chair. And of course you have, this is way more than a mini bar, but this wonderful bar setup here. Look at all the glasses, beautiful glassware. And yes, you did notice the record player. Rockstar Suites do have record players, and you can borrow records from the record shop. Wonderful balcony. We'll take a look at that. Beautiful hammock. Oh, I can feel the heat now. That nice warm sun. There's table and chairs as well. So we come back into the room. Take a look at the washroom space. Beautiful marbled sink area. Massive shower space. Rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle, bench, handrail, and that reflective glass that looks into the room. Your Rockstar robe. This is a Seriously Suite in the Rockstar Quarters on Resilient Lady.